do what I do. I got sick, got kicked out of high school. I guess then I kinda got arrested with a car and a chase and a drug test. These days they don't wanna be near that, cause if it's selling records they don't wanna hear that. A clean cut would do it like Disney, well adjusted, trusted, trust me. Party anthems, get them dancing. Well, I'm the king of second chancing. Airbrush shiny notoriety that disappeared into the back to go and get Heidi.